Hey, what's going on, guys? Sadistic Picker here, and we're gonna try to do these other two things that I got. Full disclosure, I've had some cough syrup, so if I do something goofy, it's not really my fault. I want to try to get these on camera so I can get them out the door to one of these 5 packages that I'm shipping out today.
Why not? It's a numbers game. Squad numbers were down.
No, come on. And this tape come off so easy yesterday.
Every day, year after year. Less now after Freddie Gray. That's only because the guys can get out of the car to fight motion.
We're just gonna fuck it up. I got more. Fuck it up. Alright, so we got Snake Pick CL number 1. Oh shit. Damn, that's cool looking. Just like a snake. Alright. Let's see what we got here.
Just do my job, man. He's clean.
Little click on 1, little click on 2, little click on 3. Nothing on 4. Ooh, click and false set on 5. Alright. Let's see if we can get 4 now. Getting better, guys. Actually getting better. I can feel my lungs getting a lot better.
You take one body for the weed, or we can take 3. There's only 2 ways to have your city scale salary, my son. First is overtime. Nobody's gonna approve overtime for chasing 911 calls.
Come on.
From patrol. Second is court pay. You make enough arrests, you not only get credit for the stats, you can overfill the day's docket and get paid twice.
Man, I just didn't really want to budge.
Extra coin or nothing.
Alright, I'm gonna work my way back out.
What's going on, baby? I'm sorry, these crap shit's over now.
There it is. Alright, that was fun.
Bro, I'm waiting here like an asshole. I apologize.
Let's see. I'm a little bit better prepared today.
Come on, Donnie. Mike Fry's right here. He's a legend. I work with him over in the southeast. I'm his bodyguard.
Oh yeah, well I wouldn't mess with either of you two.
What crabs do you want to say?
Those crabs are small as shit, Wayne.
Nah, they're mediums. The crabs are expensive as fuck this year, man. That's all I can afford.
Yeah, well you know what? Money ain't nothing but paper till you print it, alright? Come here. Let me show you what I bought. I did the shopping this morning, alright? Check this out.
I need a new screwdriver.
Yeah, man, that's New York Street.
I think that's what I'm gonna buy myself for my birthday this year. A new screwdriver.
And now we're gonna be eating is what we're gonna be doing, alright?
Don, I thought you were off the salt.
Yeah, I ain't had a drop since '96, but
Oh, come on.
Fuck yeah.
yeah, fuck yeah, ain't that the truth? Yeah. Why don't you eat something now, man? Go on.
Spent $46 on trash. You're saying it's a waste of fucking money.
Good to me.
You don't sit there just fucking collect flies.
No, I'll eat them and we'll take them home. Hey. Nice. Okay.
Those things are bad for you. Like you give a fuck if I die. Come on, man. Found a ground stash in that vacant lot over there. Who's Walter? All of them? Come on. They all
Let's make sure it's turned there. Let's get us a shim. Because it's the polite. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to take it off camera. Because it's the polite thing to do. Always shim.
One thing I don't understand. If police work has become this indiscriminate, anyone and everyone in the city can get locked up for anything. Who talks to the departments if you need witnesses, if you need informants?
It's worse than that.
Tell me.
Sure, you could talk to the guys in homicide and robbery.
My cough's getting dry, which is great. That's what we've been waiting for.
Not anymore. You got that right enough. But now, even if you find the witnesses and you make a case, now when you need to get 12 people together to make a jury, 12 people to believe that you aren't lying on the witness stand about who shot Tater or who robbed the Rite Aid, they look at you.
Let's get this
And
over
remember,
here.
his mother cop lied on them or their son or brother.
Bear with me, sorry for the
Lawyers will
wiggles.
tell you he lost the city jury's going this stuff. You think police just lie?
Because now you do.
Now we do.
So tell
Flip
me
this
about
around so we
Samuel.
can start from 1 to 5.
I wasn't involved. I was on the scene running backup on the call.
Pin 1,
I got a nephew that boy's age.
pin 2.
Got idea? I just came back from work. Why the fuck are you stopping me?
You're in a high crime area. We're wearing a hooded sweatshirt.
You stopped me for wearing a hoodie?
So, you had your head on swivel, look like you're seeking a victim.
So these got little serrates at the
I'm
top.
gonna pat you down.
Oh. And he threaded the chambers here. All 5 of them are threaded. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. I should demonstrate this. I should have did this yesterday too.
It's a high crime area.
Another smart ass. Cuff this little motherfucker.
Wait, bro, I ain't.
I don't know if you could hear that.
Bro, why you cuffing me, bro?
Actually, let me turn out this TV.
Bro, what am I doing wrong?
There. I think you can see the serrates there. At least in that chamber. Anyway. Serrated. Where's the tweezers? Every one of them got that at the top. Alright. Let's see what we're working with. It's got some nice pen work here. And the springs are really small in there. I don't see, yeah, nothing's done to the Bible. But man, these pens are nice. This one was actually this way. Let's see if I can't take you guys in closer. That spool's nice. And, you know, a lot of people, you don't have to fill in, like, make a bunch of serrates on there. I do, just because, I don't know, I like cutting into the brass, I guess. But, you know, one thing I've learned with pins is only so much of the pin works unless you're doing things to the chambers. So sometimes things are, you don't even have to do it. I just do it because it looks pretty. Okay, anyway, this again was Snake's picks, his first CL. I think he did a great job for first CL. Absolutely. Here was his bidding. Awesome job, man. Cool. Alright, guys. Hit the like button. Comment. Share with all your buddies because I'm so fucking popular, famous. You won't regret it.